Once you've logged into MAJK, then the first thing we recommend you take a look at are the settings that are applied to your profile. You can get to the settings screen from a number of different places. There is a button on the home screen labeled Settings. There is also a menu in the File menu where you can click on Settings. There is a keyboard shortcut with Control Comma, or in your profile on the top right corner where you have your username, there is also a link to go to Settings. From the settings page, you can choose which options you wish to set up. You can see information about your account and how it connects to the LLM. You can adjust the setup of the appearance of the MAJK application, light mode, dark mode, different user interface options, and so on. If you would like to activate voice input, where you can use your microphone to dictate messages instead of typing, then you can slide the toggle on and that will activate within a task or a chat. So you'll have that option available to you. You can modify and view the rules that you have set when it comes to permissions that you have granted to MAJK. That's things like the ability to read files, write files, create files, make API calls to different systems, and so on. As you are using MAJK at the beginning, you will have quite a lot of permission requests. But once you have those rules set, then you can come here and manage them at any time. You then have some options around system instructions. And so you can actually add and modify the instructions. There are some prepackaged instructions that are in place that come with the installation of MAJK. If you are an administrator, then you will have access to an admin toolkit that allows you to look at the things like analytics that relate to other users within your enterprise account. And then within the system screen, you can see your current version. You can choose to subscribe to our beta channel if you wish to try new features before they are released in general availability. And you can also check for updates to new releases. MAJK does do this check automatically every time you start up. So as new releases become available, you will be prompted to update. But here is where you can come if you want to do that manually. And then finally, in the About page, you have the option, if you click on MAJK 5 times, then you can see what we call experimental settings or feature flags. These are a series of additional features that you can choose to activate or deactivate, and they give you access to, in some cases, pre-release and experimental features, but in others, they're quite robust. This screen is probably going to be updated over time, but at this time, clicking on the M for MAJK 5 times is the way to get to these feature flags and turn these features on and off. And so things that I definitely recommend that you turn on are the MAJK control option, which gives you a home page, the start chat option, which gives you access to have chats and tasks, and then the sharing option, which allows you to share plugin skills and so on with other people and to receive shared plugins and skills from other people. The other options are entirely up to you. Some of them will be toggled on by default, but you can adjust and tailor your configuration as you desire. Once you're finished with the settings, then you can go back to the home screen to begin working with MAJK.